Spill containment systems such as a spill response kit are required in each area of the workplace where hazardous chemicals and liquids are used, handled or stored. With many different chemicals used in the workplace today, understanding which liquids you use for your business will help you choose the right spill kit to clean up spills when they do occur. Each kit may contain absorbent pads, socks, pillows and sorbents that are specific to the type of liquid you need to absorb. General maintenance spill kits. Also known as general purpose or universal spill kits, this type of kit is used for water or oil-based fluids such as coolants, solvents, gasoline, kerosene, vegetable oil and paint. Oil-only spill kits. Sorbents in this kit repel water and will float indefinitely. Use this kit for hydraulic oil, motor oil, brake fluid, cooking oil, turpentine and lubricants. Chemical spill kits. Sorbents in this kit will not react with aggressive chemical fluids. Suitable for use with acid and bases, citric acid, sodium hydroxide and aggressive chemicals. Our spill kits are available in a variety of types and sizes, from 20 litre vehicle spill kits to 250 litre mobile spill kits that can be used in a wide range of different facilities. Specialty kits to clean up biohazard spills, mercury spills, cytotoxic spills and marine spill kits are also available. Shop our full spill kit range at seaton.com.au.